A place for readers. Haiba Foreign Chinese School. Please come before your White Tiger Spring visit.
Left, I'm alone.
They are schools teaching Chinese as a foreign language. Here, the teacher took us through the practice of thinking for times. I also found inspiration here to find the Grand Canal. There was a river up the back of the school to the White City College found on the mobile network for passengers. I recently ate near the White Tiger Spring flowing from Box 2. What do you see? Also, get to know the desperate swimming canal. You see the beginning of the Grand Canal at Momofuku's Way. It's very close to our school, so let's start with the school and explore the Grand Canal together.